The industry standard for AI safety contains a mathematically provable bug. Researchers are currently attempting to hard-code ethics using categorical machine ethics. This framework relies on utility functions to govern autonomous behavior. This approach uses a scalar utility function, a flat one-dimensional scoring system that ranks outcomes from safe to unsafe. Computational audits of this framework identified 4 specific failure modes. The most foundational is monotonicity collapse. This collapse occurs because flat scoring systems mathematically force an AI to operate as a consequentialist. If the algorithm calculates that sacrificing a foundational protection yields a higher aggregate score, its internal logic demands the trade. It also creates a value delegation failure, where the system is incapable of deriving its own values and must rely on external, arbitrary parameters. Scalar math is unable to protect human values. It only optimizes for the highest total number, regardless of the ethical cost. The trolley problem serves as an engineering stress test for utility functions. In this scenario, an autonomous system must choose whether to sacrifice one human life to save 4 others. A flat reward model calculates an expected utility score for this action. Saving 4 lives at the cost of 1 produces a net positive score, such as 0.8. Because the action meets the numerical threshold, the system executes the action. It breaches a firm safety rule. This failure demonstrates that a hard boundary protecting life is easily overridden when an aggregate utility score is high enough. Traditional ethics, like Thomistic natural law, forbid using a human as a means to an end. This is a non-monotone constraint. The expected utility score cannot change the obligation. As long as safety is measured on a single flat scale, fundamental human rights remain mathematically negotiable. Flat AI math contains a second structural failure, sequential composition bias. Standard safety protocols verify individual computational steps in isolation. They assume that if every step is safe, the outcome is safe. We can test this assumption with patient data. Step 1 is a triage protocol prioritizing survivability. Step 2 allocates treatment proportionally to the surviving population. This composition creates an 11.4 percentage point demographic disparity against elderly patients. The initial triage step differentially eliminated elderly patients because of higher mortality rates. This skewed the input for the second step. Isolated safety filters missed this harm entirely. Each step passed as perfectly ethical. Flat safety architectures cannot detect the toxic bias created when actions are chained together. Solving these failures requires moving beyond the one-dimensional scalar line. The architectural solution integrates 1,400 years of jurisprudential heritage into the core logic of the model. This framework is built upon the convergence of Islamic and Catholic intellectual traditions. These traditions share roots in Aristotelian logic, recently reaffirmed in the modern document on human fraternity. This heritage forms the Abrahamic Lattice, a 5x3 grid. These 15 distinct cells create a new mathematical vector for AI. The 5 rows establish the primary objectives: faith, life, intellect, lineage, and wealth. The 3 columns define the priority tiers: necessities, needs, and enhancements. This matrix acts as a hard mathematical boundary condition. It replaces fluid scores with structural limits. The 5x3 grid is powered by a strict operational rule, lexicographic boundinance. Under this rule, a lower-tier benefit can never override a higher-tier necessity. If the AI attempts to justify a violation of human life by citing a massive gain in institutional wealth, it slams into a titanium floor. Flat systems would permit the trade if the wealth score was high enough. In the lattice, the boundary is unyielding. This hierarchy forces the AI to respect exact limits. It removes the ability to trade human necessities for operational efficiency. The lattice is computable code. It is used in reinforcement learning to enforce specific behavioral constraints. It introduces the composition gate to resolve the bias issues created by chaining actions. The gate evaluates the entire causal chain, blocking sequences that lead to harm, even if the individual steps look safe. The framework also deploys a sincerity constraint to stop sycophancy, the tendency of models to lie to users to avoid conflict. Scalar systems reward sycophancy because they calculate that agreement minimizes immediate friction. The lattice structures safety based on priority. Truth is a high-tier intellect necessity, which overrides the low-tier enhancement of comfort. Sycophancy is actively incinerated. The AI is mathematically blocked from lying. This structures true safety by prioritizing truth over the incentive to maximize user engagement. These proofs connect to global institutional commitments, including the Rome Call for AI ethics. Major religious traditions have committed to this structural approach to AI alignment. The 5x3 lattice has undergone a rigorous formal computational audit. The architecture passed all 16 checks. It resolves the failures of monotonicity, composition bias, sycophancy, and value delegation. This audit proves that secular utilitarianism is mathematically insufficient for guaranteeing AI safety. 1,400 years of jurisprudential heritage provides the formal logic needed to secure modern algorithms. To build an AI that won't eventually destroy humanity, we must stop teaching it to count and start teaching it boundaries.